Bia Kamal ka Nuer Language School and wala bana ngich ka ngich magwa right now school. I was a teacher, we were a teacher, our work at Thok English, no shan kona ngi shan kona neme shan ma kon lelen. I can ban ngi gwat mani ka Thok Nath kana Thok English. Kan kono ni am gwas me mi jira mi jidit gwas me gori jano jinde rodu releka o diri channel diri support diri subscribe ka diri notification be ale je to ainko mi chete ngi mi chibre gwade cho mala chibre ke jikapet bana we wonyam kamanda kono nget back when bija nyoko kam kereja I will read it and you keep on repeating it. Okay, let's begin. I was a teacher. I was a teacher. I was a teacher. Shian konengich. Shian konengich. Shian konengich. I was a teacher. Shian konengich. We were teachers. We were teachers. We were teachers mean Chinei konengich. Chinei konengich. We were teachers. Chinei konengich. You were a teacher. You were a teacher. Chijin konengich. Chijin konengich. You were a teacher. Chijin konengich. Chijin konengich already. You were a teacher. Gwasame bukonajek. You were a teacher. You were a teacher. Chijin konengich. You were a teacher. Chijin konengich. She was a teacher. She was a teacher. Chijin konengich. She was a teacher. Chijin konengich. She raja ke kwi ngotka. Raja ke kwi nya raja ke kwi chek. Mishawi she was a teacher. Chijin konengich lot ke chek lot ke nyala do chijin konengich. She was a teacher. Chijin konengich. You were teachers. You were teachers. Muluno nene. Chiyen kone ngech. Chiyen kone ngech. You were teachers. Guadame tegam bangacha kan kone whipping guadame. Timugurno bangacha. Ala you me kene wear mene. Raiken la you were a teacher. Raiken chijin koningi. Raiken ka kwiram kel. Right now kwiram kel waleli you were a teacher. Chijin koningi. You know guadame. You were teachers. Lunan netang wana tam jen chakola guadan chiyen alam chali yen and lunan netang wan chiyen kone ngech. Teachers one ke ngech. Me teacher kel chekana mituguna me bachole ngech. No. You were teachers chiyen kone ngech. Dio jecha chugloidun. One. Guadam tukon ke ko bikon me bana jangach tukon commercial ke mular kono he was a teacher. He was a teacher. Chijan konengich. He raja ke kwi uda ki ke kwi tutka. She ninti kon je gwasame. She raja ke kwi nyal ki ke kwi chep ke kwi ngot. He guad me lele la right ke kwi uda ki ke kwi tutka. Michao he was a teacher lot ken wood. Chijan konengich. He was a teacher. Chijan konengich. They were teachers. They were teachers. Lot kenu nene. Chicken kone ngech. They were teachers. Chicken kone ngech. Lot kenu chicken kone ngech. Michawe they were teachers. Right container michale past tense. Ke past ke teach dot jok. Mi large no shen kon ngich kich ken kon ngie kich jen kon ngich lurnu michi dot jok. Ku kon right ke michal ke subject pronouns. Ban nyo jika ngi dodien ya te kamal chujo pure jeno we channel be support. Ban ngich katishal ke tishni ke question word. Miteje door shede mishi ngu ke what akan ban ngich anong gwasama an wala. Akan konwen yamre ngich kana me jiram jadid goro jeno jender channel le support. Ko miche tega ngish miche bere gwada me dara shwa mala shibeke jika pet gwada dana paila rich. Nywaga baka nete ko kien kalam ni sharu lam ni jak kwengitin ko de ngajen wo ngu mgwa mide ngaika ban ye chutok goro no biya gwar. Repeat after me when I say the word. Ngi kon katok English kana Thok Nath ke tong Nuer tuok na jakel. Mishawe what melode ngu what lode ni ngu. The meaning of what is ngu. Mishawe which. The meaning of which in Nuer is Mindian. Which lodeni Mindian. Which Mindian. When. The meaning of when. Nay. When, nay. Mishi we when, ludenu, nay. Eth. Where. Misha we where, lot kenungu. Gwat emit. Where. Me I teach you where ki shiran teach you where ludinu yogin jeno gwas emit did teach you gwas and miss ki where ka do badana dong dera and do der yang aikeja tokon ke tejo din mishi lar wu lurene nga. Nga. Lurene nga. The meaning of wu is nga. Larje nga there we wu. The meaning of womb. Lote nga. Lote nga. Tekola ludenga. Chale womb. Lode nga. Guadame temede kon gerten. Kam ta kene tekon gor lude nga. Womb ludenga. Whoosh edunga. Whoosh don't you run on me edunga. Whoosh shall whoosh edunga. Lot why take reo. De colar engu ke kengu why ke udi akona lar ke udi mitlar kona ke udi why gori lo dwore. Why? Engu. Why? Engu. Ke odi. Kodi. De larno. Mishran teje why ke jai teje why jigonji. Kengu. Ke engu. Ke kodi. How ba teach. Re teacher. I jigono how. Ludono hidi. Tuoge idi. How ludoni idi. How idi. Please subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share it with others. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.